Our engineer Dave starts creating a new assembly by placing multiple component files from Vault. Like Open from Vault, this dialog offers all options to search, group, and filter managed files. Autodesk Vault supports SolidWorks Toolbox components. The Toolbox file repository maps to a Vault library path, and it may reside within each client's local workspace or on a shared network drive. The Vault check-in leverages cat BOM details, including numbering if enabled. Therefore, our user inserts a BOM table before initial save. As the last step, a few properties get filled. This sample environment aligned the custom property task pane definition accordingly to the assembly category of Autodesk Vault. First time saving of the new assembly invokes Vault numbering provider. During check-in, the Vault add-in recognized that not only the placed parts but also the Toolbox fasteners are managed by Vault already. The Uses view in Vault Explorer shares more details, like the released state of the fastener components. Uses and where used views allow round-trip navigation to each related file parent folder location. The assembly shall get drawing documentation. Similar to part drawings, we add a drawing title and leave review and approval information blank for now. Note, Vault may enforce these fields being empty for lifecycle transitions from work in progress to review. Reviewer and approver can get individual access rights to complement this data during model and document review. Users can kick off lifecycle transitions in bulk mode for complete assembly or project structures. Drawings always included. Another option is to individually change state for particular files as part of drawing and model structures.